Today in this section we are going to discuss about another type of conjunction, that is correlative conjunction. In our previous section we have discussed about subordinate conjunction, and today we have another topic, that is correlative conjunction. So what is the function of a correlative conjunction? A correlative conjunction is essentially a coordinating conjunction used in pairs. A correlative conjunction gets its name from the fact that it is a paired conjunction that has a reciprocal or complementary relationship. So correlative conjunction means, or they gave the meaning, two things, or they coordinate two parts of a sentence. A correlative conjunction gets its name from the fact that it is paired conjunction. So we can say it is a paired conjunction. So these conjunctions are the words, two words. There will be two words in correlative conjunctions, and that has a reciprocal or complementary relationship. So a correlative conjunction is essentially a coordinate conjunction used in pairs. A correlative conjunction gets its name from the fact that it is a paired conjunction. So we can say that it is a paired. So in correlative conjunction there will be two words and they are connected with each other. Correlative conjunctions always join grammatically equal elements. They always join grammatically equal elements. For example, noun, noun, adjective, adjective, phrase, phrase, clause, clause, etc. So they always relate the same things, the same grammatical elements. Noun, noun, adjective and adjective, phrase, phrase, and clause and clause. So in a correlative conjunction there will be two words and they relate, or they join grammatically equal elements. So there are 5 pairs of correlative conjunctions commonly used in English. So there are 5 commonly used correlative conjunctions, and they are either or, neither no, not only but also, whether or, both and. So these are the commonly used correlative conjunctions. Once again I will repeat: either or, neither no, not only but also, whether or, both and. So these are the commonly used correlative conjunctions in English. So let's look at an example. Either you or Susan can take the message. So in this sentence there are two nouns, you and Susan, or two names, you and Susan, and they are connected with the word either or. So either you or Susan can take the message. Another example: the job requires an ability possessed neither by Jack nor by John. The job requires an ability possessed neither by Jack nor by John. So these are the correlative. So in this example we can see neither nor. Another example: whether we meet in the park or at the Enid's house is up to you. So there are we can see there are five pairs of correlative conjunctions commonly used in English, and they are either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or, both and. So a correlative conjunction means there will be two words and they connect a noun or clause or phrase etc. The same grammatical elements they connect with each other. So a correlative conjunction means conjunction with two words. Single word conjunction with two words are called correlative conjunction.